Hey, hi, this is Kishore Bhupati. I head Oracle ERP practice. So Clover is into Oracle ERP practice since last 25 plus years. As a ERP practice, we do offer Oracle e-business suite support, mini support. We have done good number of projects when it comes to Oracle e-business suite implementations, Fusion implementation projects, EBS upgrade projects, lift and shift to Oracle Cloud infrastructure, OCI. To talk about lift and shift project, Clover has done one large implementation project which is into lift and shift, and this was for the largest hotel industry involving a lot of customizations, interfaces, integrations. But we were able to do that project successfully without any challenges and with minimal downtime. For all the companies, there is a mandate to move on from 12.1 to the latest version, which is 12.2. And the Oracle support also has moved from premier support to the sustaining support. In Oracle sustaining support, which is a market driven support from Oracle ACS, the challenge is Oracle does not provide any new fixes, new updates, security patches. So the customers who are in 12.1 version, they have three options available. So one is they can do upgrade to 12.2 version with the database 19C. The second option is going to be, so they can lift and shift from on-prem to Oracle Cloud infrastructure, and wherein the 12.2 version will be supported with the premier support till 2033. And the third option, move to Oracle Fusion. So this will be complete implementation project. It will be Oracle SaaS offerings across financials. When I talk about the recent upgrade, we have successfully implemented upgrade project for one of the India's largest general insurance company. So this was earlier into 12.1 and they would like to move on to 12.2 with the database 19C. I would like to highlight that they were having extensive customization, third-party application integrations, and interfaces were there, and even they were looking for with a minimal downtime. Since there are a lot of customizations as part of the current application, which is in 12.1, there is a challenge with regard to moving the customizations to the latest version. The integrations which are currently working in 12.1 version, so those integration has to be migrated to the latest version of application database. So whenever we do the upgrade project as a Clover offering, what we do is we have a discovery phase with the customer and we understand with the customer interactions how they want to take about all the customizations, the integrations as well as interfaces. So the advantage is as the process re-engineering, whenever we do the upgrade project, there will be a lot of documentation which goes with available customizations, interfaces, integrations. Any point of time in future, this documentation will be as a reference guide to the customer. So to understand the current landscape and current architecture. So definitely to the customers who are currently into Oracle e-business suite, the roadmap is going to be Oracle Fusion. Let me talk about the benefits of moving on to Oracle e-business suite 12.2. The first advantage what we are going to have is with 12.2, we are going to have enhanced user experience, the advantage of extended premier support till 2033. As well as reduced downtime with online patching. So this is going to be a great value and advantage to the customer. 12.2 also has enterprise command center across the modules which are accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, general ledger. So there are good number of dashboards which are available. So these are inbuilt analytics which are coming with Oracle e-business suite 12.2 version. As being general insurance company, definitely the company will be looking for across multiple dashboards. So these pre-built dashboards are going to help across the various modules which are present in Oracle e-business suite. Being a general insurance company, there will be a lot of third-party application and integrations which are going to be there. Any new third-party application integrated with Oracle e-business suite, since in 12.1 there is no certification available, with EBS 12.2 version, so there is certification which is available for third-party applications, either that may be Oracle or non-Oracle also. So that gives the flexibility to integrate with new third-party applications seamlessly. So that is going to be the big advantage the company is going to have. Similarly, so far the general insurance company was using 12.1 version. Once upgrading to 12.2, it is having the flexibility to take up a journey to Oracle Cloud. The team size for any kind of upgrade project will 6 members team, be a mix of EBS Apps DBA, technical consultant, functional consultant, project manager and SME. Project manager is going to ensure like the daily governance is adhered, The project management side he is going to handle. Apps DBA is basically to do an upgrade from latest database from 12C to 19C. Technical consultant will try to understand what are current integrations, interfaces, customizations, and whenever we do upgrade to the latest version, so these objects, these customizations has to be migrated from to the latest application and latest version. So what we do is we execute an automated script in order to understand the end-to-end landscape on the technical side. So that will help us to fix invalid objects which are going to come up. And what we need to do is we have to do a retrofit of these objects from the older version of 12.1.2 to the latest version of 12.2. That is going to be a major part of EBS upgrade activity along with the database upgrade which is going to happen. The next step is going to be, as these technical objects move from to the latest version, we have to do end-to-end regression testing, functional testing. So we do have a good number of functional consultants. Our team will help in doing the testing of all the integrations, interfaces and customizations. Many times it happens like post upgrade, the earlier functionality it might not be working. So what we do is as part of our integration testing, end-to-end testing, before we give it to user acceptance testing, UAT, we ensure like as a Clover, we do end-to-end testing with the regression testing, which will help the customer to ensure like the functionality which was working in the earlier version, it has to work in the seamlessly in the same way in the latest version also. We are having a consultants who are having a banking domain experience, manufacturing side experiences. So definitely the functional consultant has to have the expertise in banking domain, in insurance domain. If I talk about non-BFSI, definitely the person has to be from the non-BFSI industry, having some domain expertise so that he can interact and coordinate with the business users as well as the project team and ensure like there is a smooth upgrade project which is completed. In typically any EBS upgrade project, so basically it will be the implementation partner, team involvement will be the major role. So when I say major role from the implementation partner, so as I mentioned, the different team who is consisting of DBA, technical and functional consultant, right? So at the same time, whenever these upgrade projects happens, it has to be ensured like the proper infra is available. At the same time, from the customer point of view or the business point of view, if I want to say, the business has to ensure like the BAU should not be impacted, that they have to ensure. And at the time of UAT, definitely the business team has to be involved into doing the testing, which is a user acceptance testing they have to do across all the functionalities, which will ensure like, all the validation has completed from business point of view. Moving to the latest application version of 12.2 as well as database 19C, definitely there are a lot many advantages. And so they are going to have extended premier support till 2033 from Oracle. Second benefit, with the latest application and database version, they are going to have a minimal downtime since the latest version is going to give option to do online patching. So earlier there was no online patching, so there was a downtime which was required, and many times the change requests, the CRs, enhancements used to take good number of time. But these with the latest application version, so there will not be a minimal downtime. Any kind of new enhancements can be migrated as quickly as possible. There will be lot many changes which are going to be coming across the application. That may be integration with the new third-party applications, new integrations, new customizations. With the minimal downtime of application, it will be easy for the customers to have a change management control in place. So they can release and deploy on a weekly basis with the new enhancements, new features which they want to add to the existing application. To talk about the security and compliance standpoint, definitely this 12.2 application version is going to help the customers in ensuring that there is an improved compliance and improved security.